Hi, today I'm running new Realme Pad Mini and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and we can see here information about battery health. In my case, the battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery model, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.